we're going to saute our fresh garlic. Oh, wow. Now, we're going to add our seasoned shrimp that's been seasoned with salt and pepper. Cook that right up nicely. Today, we are cooking Alfredo pasta with basil and fresh shrimp. This is where you want it. Let's take this off, and we're going to put this on the side and make our Alfredo sauce. All right. Same pan, we're going to add our heavy cream. Oh yes. Get all those flavors going, guys. My heavy cream is coming to a boil. We're going to add our Parmesan cheese. Work it in, work it in. Wonderful, wonderful. Work that in. You want it hot enough just to melt your Parmesan nicely. Don't want to boil it too much because you're going to break your milk, your heavy cream. Now I'm going to add my fresh basil. Excellent, look at that. That's going to release and extract, give a nice, wonderful flavor. Alfredo sauce is looking nice. We're going to add our wonderful pasta in there and fold it in. This wonderful bow tie has been prepped nicely, already al dente. We're going to fold this in. Oh, that's wonderful. Wonderful. Let's just fold this in nicely. Look at that sauce. Oh, wow. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Wonderful. I hear you. We're going to add this shrimp right in. Let's get this shrimp in there. Fold it in nicely in your nice sauce. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. Just fold it in nicely. Look at that. Coating it. Wonderful. And you're going to hit it with your butter. Let that melt right in. Here you have it. Alfredo pasta with shrimp and fresh basil, nice and creamy. Until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.